Welcome again to another video. Today I was looking at EURUSD. Today I was looking at EURUSD and also gbpusd. I did look at gbpusd. So gbpusd, I managed to sell there today. To grab a little bit of 12 pips over there. I managed to grab 12 pips over there, and I was actually thinking of buying it in this area. As you can see, it has covered this whole order block over here, and we would say it was perfect to buy that area over there. It was good to buy that area, but nevertheless we missed GU, so we shall wait for another opportunity once it presents itself, when this comes up or something of that nature. So I was looking at EU and I was already long on EU. I went in short right here on EU. I took some of those pips. First time I went short was somewhere here. I went short here, the market went down, my stop loss was up there, it got hit over there, my stop loss. Just do that. I went short over here, my stop loss was up there, I got hit there on my stop loss, and my TP was right there. So on this trade I got hit here. It was 2 pip stop loss. I got hit and the market came down. I would have benefited from that trade. Anyways, it's still okay. And then I came and went short here. Why I went short there? It is because price had already created a POS and there was nothing to return to, since all the imbalance was covered over here. So price was supposed to drop all the way down. So I went short there, and the market did actually go short. And then I decided, let me go long here. Why going long here? Overall, we are in by the way, yes, I did yesterday. I managed to analyze a little bit of pairs in the morning. Yesterday, not exactly in the morning, around 2300 hours, somewhere there. I analyzed this trade here. Yes, I couldn't open the trade due to the market was closed, because I analyzed it when it was here. So why I took a long over there, why I decided to take long over there, just because the market was in an uptrend. As you can see, George was created and the POS was created. So this was my next of the my order block. So I decided, well, let me take a price over there. And this was the only area why I decided to go for this area with 1 pip stop loss. I had a screenshot, but I think I did a snippet, so I didn't quite save it, and I do not know how to find it, but nevertheless, so what I did was I placed a pending order right over there, even on GU as well. So GU hit SL. There's GU over there. There's GU. Yes, on GU as well. I did that, but GU hit an SL. It was a 1.1 pip stop loss. So that would be a $10 loss with one lot, and on EU that would be a $10 loss as well. So it was a $20 loss, targeting about $101 over there. So yeah, so that is how I managed to trade yesterday. So just a moment, let me just close some of the positions I have here on EU, because it looks like the buying is a bit difficult right now. Let me just close some of the positions. Maybe half positions, half lots. Let me just close some of those, because I'm seeing wicks here on one minute, so the market might actually come down. We need to break that level. So let me just be safe and close half of my positions right over there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to reduce my stop loss up to there. I reduce my stop loss up to there, which is a 1 pip stop loss. That is, what price is that? That's 5570. reduce my stop loss up to there. Because my stop loss was a little bit higher. That was about 5 pip stop. 5 pip stop. So let me just reduce it to 1.7 there, and then see what happens. So once we break that level and we create an order block here, we close above that level, and we're coming to buy again over here. So we haven't broken that level yet. So we'll see what exactly happens. We'll just wait for the market to do what it wants to do. Anyways, nevertheless, let's continue. So yes, that is why I took this trade over here. And also I had a trade on gold. Let me just review that with you. Wow, gold is actually seriously buying. So I had a trade on gold right over here yesterday as well. This is what happened. In gold, and the market just came by here. Didn't even reach my pending order, and decided to go up. So yeah, well, it's part of the game. It's part of the game. So yeah, we go again. We'll catch some the next time. Maybe we'll catch some from here, from this area here, since the market is going on an uptrend. So you might as well come here and try to go along over here with your stop loss right below there. Right below there. Or you can even come and still use that position over there. Why? Because the price might actually want to come and take out those lows, because these are today's lows. As you can see, that's the low of today, and that is the high of today. That's today's high, but that's today's low. So price might actually want to come and take that out. So yeah, those are the trades I took. That is GU. I had that trade over there. Then we have EU. I had a trade over there, and now this trade over here, and it's not going well. Okay, but nevertheless, it's still in profit, and I had 1 pip stop. So I took half of my positions out here as I was telling you then, and we'll see how this one ends at the very end of it. So yeah, we have no pressure there. Then what do we have here? So expecting price to go up because we're bullish. So we might come all the way down here. So let's see on a bigger time frame, which is an M15 time frame, what's happening. Okay, as you can see here, yes, we might come all the way down here. Why? Because we want to take out these lows here, the lows of today's lows. We want to take them out, then be able to buy from the equilibrium zone, or maybe from the discount zone. I don't know. Probably we're gonna do that. Maybe take out all these and then go up. I don't know. Probably that might happen to the market today. But nevertheless, we managed to book some profits there and some profits going out there. So we're still fine. We're still okay. And we booked some here. We didn't book anything, but well, for learning purposes, we managed to get something up there. Yes. So yeah, that's what we anticipated in the market, and the market paid us as it should. So nevertheless, we are happy there. We are good. And then, so the market, what I might expect the market to do is to take out these lows today. That's what I'm expecting. Let me just remove all these drawings. So we might expect a drop of the market. Drop there. Unexpected drop to that area, or even a drop further from that area up to somewhere here. We might expect that. It could be that, or a drop to this area, then a rise up. So we scale it down to 5 minutes and see how we can get that. So we have that's our equilibrium, and this is our discount zone. So on the 5 minute time frame, we might expect a drop to way past that area, because these are equal lows. So we might expect a drop way past that, maybe way past that as well, and come grab some positions here and we go long from there. So that could be the case. We go up there and we reduce our stop loss to less than 10 pips. So on the 5-minute time frame, might have a high risk of about 10 pips there, 10 pips stop loss, and 1:17 trade. So we'll see how it goes to 5 minutes. So we can get it down to reduce our stop loss on the 1-minute time frame and see what's happening. See what's going on the 1-minute time frame. So on the 1-minute time frame, what do we have here? This is what we have on the 1-minute time frame. Okay, there we go. What is it that we have on the 1-minute time frame? Remember, guys, I am doing this live, so some of the speech might be a little bit not so good. So we have that on the 1-minute time frame. Let's see. So the price might actually come take these lows out, these lows here, all these lows here, then go all the way up. So on the 1-minute time frame, so we actually have we can't reduce our stop loss from there. So it's 10 pips stop loss somewhere there. Then we pull our Fibonacci, we pull it from there to there, and we're entering on the 50% mark. Oh yeah, 50% mark, which is somewhere there, with our stop loss below those lows. Let's see, about about 2 pips below those lows. So the whole trade is about, the whole stop loss is 10 pips. So we might want to reduce our lot size here and try to be safe. We might want to reduce our risk here and try to be safe. So the market might not even reach all the way down there. It might actually end there and then come up, or here, or here, or here, or here. But we're anticipating that we're taking our trades from this low here, and market probably will test the lows, these lows here, and test the highs of Friday. So that's what we're anticipating. So let's see what did price do here. So it took us out. Did it take us out? What was our stop loss here? It was a 1 stop loss. It was around 577. So yes, price did take us out, and now price is fine. Nevertheless, anyways, it's still okay. We're learning from these experiences. So yeah, that is what I'm anticipating on EU. And on GU, what do we have? That's what we have on GU. So there's a discount zone, so it might actually be a strong zone now, and we might actually want price to come here, buy from that area, but it's a bit risky, so we'll just leave it. So right now, GU, the stop loss is too big. That's the problem. If we wanted to go long on half of this candle, so that maybe it can be half of the balance, but the stop loss is still too big. Might have 7 pips stop loss. That's okay, but no, on GU I prefer at least 2 pips somewhere there. Let's see. Just for learning purposes, let's see what happens. So let's just reduce it to about 6 pips somewhere there, below these lows. Price reaches there, and then from there we have a net run over there. Let's just see what happens. We're learning here, but anyways, as you can see, BOS has been created, so it's a bit riskier to go against that. But let's see. Let's learn, since we're from this area here. So might want prices to go up. We might expect prices to go up. What's happening on Zhao? On Zhao we have a change of character. We have a change of character on Zhao. So price didn't reach there. That's fine. Change of character. There's our order block. So we get it from half of that. Let's see. Which is that? Which also our stop loss to 4 per second. And we take out these highs here. Price on that level. We might close out some of our positions there. If we take this trade, we might close out some of our positions there, and some of our positions up here. I'll get back to you with the results on what happened on these trades. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much. Hello once again. Welcome to another video. These are the results of first videos that I posted. Yes, sorry, they might be a bit confusing, but let's just hope you follow through. So these are the results that I had taken. I had assumed that because we're in a bullish uptrend, so on GU, as you, let me just show you the trend that we're in. Let's just go on H4. On the H4 time frame, the 4-hour time frame, so that we can see a clearer view. We shall start with GU, then I'll go to EU, and then shall at the end. So, just hold on a bit, my network is a bit tricky. Okay, well, there we have the 4-hour time frame. At the 4-hour time frame, you can see we're in an uptrend. Okay, we're in an uptrend. So I'm expecting prices to go even above here, all the way down here, and we're at a very interesting area. This is a previous order block that was formed over here, and it's above these highs, as you can see. Yeah, price is taking out those highs. Well, we might get a price to the downside, maybe reaching equilibrium, going all the way up, or we might actually get prices going up all the way up to this order block. And I think that prices might be able to go up, going all the way up to here, because we have the dollar losing its power, the dollar losing value. So if we scale it down to the H1 time frame, the dollar looking bearish. So that's the H1 time frame that we have right now. So what do we have on the H1 time frame? This was news on Friday. So price came today, it formed a high and formed did a low, formed a high, formed another low. So last week we had news that dropped here, and then it came all the way, and there was all this I was left out, all this imbalance I was left out. So price had to come back and cover that. Sorry, my network is a bit tricky. So price had to come back and cover all that up before price could actually return going up. As you can see, there's a break of structure or change of character, since we had one over here. So this is probably a change of character to the upside, and price had to come back, take out these lows here to these lows, and price goes a little bit higher. So that is what we have here on the H1 time frame. So we're still in a bullish uptrend. We're still looking bullish. So if we scale it down to the 15 time frame, 15-minute time frame. What do we have? 15-minute time frame. This is what we have. Yes, on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see. Now it was a very interesting setup. We have a high there, and we have a change of character. Like I had said, there's a change of character because of the change of character here to the upside when price broke that patch. So it was a change of character, but we're not looking for every change of character, because we need to identify the trend that we're going at, and we've identified it on the H4 time frame that we're going up. So we need a change of character to the upside. So this is a change of character that we actually look at, and we're looking at this order block here, and our probabilities that our price we're gonna get it over here going to the upside. So yeah, that is what happens. That is what we're looking for. But nevertheless, there's a trade that I took over here. It is because price got to equilibrium point. Okay, so price had to be at equilibrium, and I looked at that price was taking out this over here. Price came and tapped into that. As you can see, price came and tapped into this imbalance over here, this fair value gap here. So price came and tapped into there, and price decided to go up. So when I saw this bullish candle here over here, the sign of a reversal candle, so I was like, okay, let me just go in and try to grab these pips from here to there with the 1 pip stop loss. That is about 37 pips, and we could actually get even way higher than that on the gbpusd, and that is let's check on 5 minutes. So I was looking at the 15 minutes, and that is where I was entering. So on the 5 minute and the M1, that is where I was actually entering. On the 1 minute time frame, that was my entry criteria. Remember, we're not looking for this was my trade. And something also to take note of why I also took this trade. I looked at this zone here. There was a bit of a consolidation right there. Okay, let me just do that right here. There was a bit of a consolidation right over there. Let me just do that. Okay, there was a bit of a consolidation right here in the zone. Yes, then price tapped out of that zone. After price tapped out on that zone, price went up, creating a change of character. So we might actually get price coming to the downside and heading all the way up. But I don't think I'm gonna take this trade because I've already traded much today. So you don't need to actually take as many trades as possible. Usually, sometimes you just scale down your trading so that you can be able to get your psychology right. Yes. So that is why. So once price consolidated there, I knew that the market was supposed to hunt towards the downside and take out all the people who were buying in this area and having their stop losses below there. So I had to take that out, then from the buy to go to the upside. As you can see from this area here, here's the same thing again. Price is going up, taking out all everyone who's selling, then it's going to sell up to there. And then why is it doing that? Taking out all the trading stop losses and coming in to grab some big orders because people want to buy at a discount, not at a higher fee. Sorry about that. Not at a higher fee. Okay, so people want to buy at a discount, not at a higher fee. So everyone wants to buy here at the lowest price they can get at that particular time, and of course sell at the highest price they can get. Okay, so that was a trade on gbpusd. That was a trade on gbpusd. Yes, so let me scale it down to 1 minute so you can see how I also entered this trade. Let me scale it down to that time frame because I use that time frame for my entries, so I get a very smaller stop loss, managing my risk to 0.25% per account or 0.5 per account at times. Yes, so yeah, I don't want to go above 1% of my risk management. So yeah, sometimes I cut my trades a little bit short. Like for example, in this trade, I cut it short. Let me just take out this. Let me just take this out and take this out as well. Okay, so like for example, in this case here, I took this trade from here. Managed to book in some profits. 1:9. I took out some of the positions there, though my take profit was up there. Took out some of the positions and some I left trailing SL right over here. Here as well, I took this trade and I bought all the way up to there. I took out some positions here and the market came down and some of the market hit my TP. Yes, some of the market hit my TP. Yes, I'll show you screenshots at the end of the video. Also, that is it on the GU trade. Okay, so that's what happened on this trade over here. And then we move down to EU. Another trade that I took on EU. EU's been doing quite well. Remember, I took a trade here in the morning, it hit TP, and then I went on and analyzed it again. So what I was expecting is that price would drop all the way up to that area. Remember, on the 15-minute time frame, I did record this in one of the videos. So let's just take a look at it on the 15-minute time frame on what happened. I did say that either price, we might want price to come over onto this area. Remember, taking out these lows for today, taking out today's lows. Okay, taking out today's lows and then just to go up because we're in an uptrend with EU because we're looking bearish for the dollar. So yes, so price had to take out these lows for today, so it might actually wanted to come to this order block here, and hence this trade here that was taken here. So I did also mention that it might come all the way down here. Well, it didn't come all the way down here. So as I saw these two bullish candles come, I assumed that well, the next candle is bullish after I'd seen that price was actually covering the imbalance here. And when price started going up, I was like, let me jump into this trade right over here. Let's take a look at the 5-minute time frames that we can be able to see clearly as well where the market really wanted to go. So we can see from here, from the 5-minute time frame, why price reversed in this area. So let's identify the area of interest. Let's look at this base rally over here, and then we extend that so that we can be able to see extended. Exactly, that is where the market reversed. Can you see that? You see how beautiful that is? That is where them after taking out today's lows. See, after taking out the lows of today, it went on to that order block there. Can you see that? And then it went all the way up. Oh, we could say when we use the order block that's there. That is the order block that's there. Still, price came and tapped into that zone, and price went up. If it was me, I would have actually had right there on the 50%, then reduce the stop loss down to 4 pips, 5 pips, somewhere there near that, and hit my TP right above today's highs. So we were looking at a 1:14 trade, but anyways, I didn't get that much. I only got this trade here, and as you can see in this trade, why I took this trade, price started moving up, and I knew that price wanted to take out these over here. Price wanted to take these out, so I thought, well, let me just go in. Maybe price would want to come and take these highs out here as well here. Take these highs out and put my take profit a little bit further over there. Yes, and I got into that trade. There it is. Let me just scale it down to the 1 minute time frame. So there, after I saw that price went up, came back down, then closed above there, leaving this wick tapping into that imbalance over here, going up, and then I saw this red candle close. Sorry about that, sorry. I saw this red candle close over here. Let's just widen that up. When I saw that red candle close, I knew that price was gonna shoot all the way up. So I entered there, placed my stop loss below the wick of this red candle, which is a 2 pip stop loss right over there, because I assumed that price was gonna go up. That's what I had assumed, and I was right actually. And price went all the way up. I had my take profit right there at first. So I took some of my profits, and then I left others to run all the way up to there. Yeah, so that was much of it on the Euro USD, and I had a Zhao trade. I still have Zhao. Oh my goodness, Zhao. Nevertheless, it hit a trailing stop loss. I had a trailing stop loss. I will show you as well. So this is what we have on the Zhao USD. So on the Zhao, as you saw, let's move down to I think it was the 1 minute time frame in the morning when it missed our entry right over here. So I was still holding on to those positions right over there, and price came, went all the way up, came down, went up, and I took some positions out over here. Usually what I do is, if I see that a 1:1 has been completed, I take out some positions and leave others to run. So when I saw that happening, I took out some positions, and then price came down, price started doing that, and then I took some of the positions and I placed trailing SL. It hit my trailing SL right there, then price started going up. So yeah, that's what I had on this trade on the day of today. On today, the date is it? On the 5th of December 2022. So yeah, that's what we have, and yeah, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe, like the video, and support us in a special. Thank you. Have a great day.